Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday wavy slash curly hair tutorial. Just 3 products that I use, and I will link below everything I use and the steps. This video is really great for people who have hair texture, especially if you struggle with frizz. These products help with my hair. Let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial.
I'll do what I must. I'll go where I land. Nothing but the spirit I follow to elevate my head. I'm but this. I'll do what I do what I love. I'm but this. I'll do what I do what I love.
This is my hair, so it is nice and scrunched. It looks amazing. Alright, a little update, but this is my hair towards the end of the day. Looking very voluminous still. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe I'll do more hair videos, but I just wanted to share my hair routine. I'll see you guys next time.